Now, we have studied so many trigonometric ratios for an acute angle. Sin theta, cos, tan, then inverse of sin is cos A, inverse of cos is sec ratio, and inverse of tan is cot ratio, isn't it? Now, I had also told you that we have one relation whenever sin theta upon cos theta, we write it is equal to our tan theta, tan ratio of the acute angle. Now we can prove this. Now to prove this, we should have a right angle triangle with an acute angle say theta. Now for example, I shall draw the figure. So this is triangle PQR, right angle at Q, and suppose this angle is theta, acute angle. What we have to prove? Tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. Now suppose, listen here, if we want to write tan theta, now see, in triangle PQR, what? Tan theta is equal to, tan ratio means it is which side upon which side, tan means opposite upon adjacent. So for this angle, which is opposite side? QR. Which is adjacent? PQ. So that is QR upon PQ. So tan theta is equal to QR upon PQ. Isn't it? Now suppose we want to show that this is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. Now let us write sin theta upon cos theta ratio. See here. Sin theta upon cos theta is equal to numerator sin theta. Sin means what? It is opposite upon hypotenuse. So it is QR upon hypotenuse is PR. Upon cos theta. Cos means which side upon which side? Adjacent upon hypotenuse. So it is PQ upon hypotenuse PR. Isn't it? Now you can see here PR get cancelled. And now what is remaining? Sin theta upon cos theta is equal to QR upon PQ. QR upon PQ. Isn't it? Now you see in the statement 1, tan theta, answer is QR upon PQ. And here sin theta upon cos theta, answer is QR upon PQ. So you see in the statement 1 and 3, this is and this right hand side are equal. So if right hand side are equal, this left hand side must be equal. And therefore I can write, and therefore tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. So this relation we are having now. But no, similarly, what is the inverse ratio of tan theta? Cot theta. So we can write what? Cot theta is equal to, what is the inverse of this? Cos theta upon sin theta. That is also there. So you have to remember these formulas now. What is that? Tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. And if you want to write cot theta, what we write now? Inverse of this means what? Cos theta upon sin theta. So this is how. So this relation, how it comes, that I will show you here. So it will not come for examination, but you should know this relation, that is tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta and cot theta is equal to cos theta upon sin theta. Now based on this, they ask you objective question. I have shown you in the earlier period. I shall again give you some objective question based on this relation. What is tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. Now see. How they ask the objective ratio? Listen here. Now suppose if 3 sin theta is equal to 4 cos theta, then tan theta is equal to dash. Now what you have to do? 3 sin theta is equal to 4 cos theta. Isn't it? 3 sin theta means 3 into 4 into is there. And we want tan theta. So if sin and cos is known, what is the formula for tan? Sin upon cos. So here we have to rearrange the ratios so that we shall get sin upon cos. So how to rearrange now? Sin upon cos. So this numerator, this sin theta you keep it here. This is into, if you are going to transfer here, it will be upon. So sin theta upon cos theta will be equal to what? Naturally number to the right hand side number 4, this into 3 will be upon 4. And sin by cos means what? Tan theta is equal to 4 by 3. So here they can do little change. What is that change? Suppose 3 sin theta minus 4 cos theta is equal to 0. 0. Therefore, tan theta is equal to this. Suppose in this we ask. Now how to write? Now sin and cos terms are there. How to write sin theta upon cos theta? First, you should know that if you want to write sin theta upon cos theta ratio, both terms should be to the both side of equality sign. Now they are to the same side. So what we can do? Now see, we are given 3 sin theta minus 4 cos theta is equal to 0. This is given, isn't it? And we can write a ratio if they are to the both side of equality sign. So what we can do? 3 sin theta is equal to, take that to 4 cos theta. And now you can rearrange, or this into you bring here. Sin theta upon cos theta is equal to 4 upon 3. And sin by cos means what? Tan theta is equal to 4 upon 3. So like this you have to obtain the answer. Now the same relation can be given, and take if 3 sin theta minus cos 4 theta is equal to 0, therefore cot theta is equal to dash. Now if cot theta is asked, first you should know that the ratio should be both sides of equality sign. So take that to right hand side. And cot means what? We can have cot theta if cos theta upon sin theta is equal to cot theta. Isn't it? So what you will do now? To obtain cos theta upon sin theta, this into now you have to transfer here. Isn't it? So if you are transferring this ratio to the right hand side, means number will come to left hand side, into 4 will come here. So now see what will happen? Cos theta upon sin theta. Now we are taking sin theta to right hand side. Why? We want cot theta, and cot means cos upon sin. So naturally numbers to left hand side, these 3 will be there upon 4. And this into will be upon 4. So 3 by 4 is equal to cos by sin means cot theta. So like that you have to understand. Okay. Now let us study one trigonometric identity. Okay. For any acute angle theta, angle theta, prove sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This is true for any angle. sin square ratio of an angle plus cos square ratio of the same angle is always equal to how much? It is always equal to 1. Now we can prove this. Okay. Now how to prove that we are going to study now. Just wait 1 minute. Now to prove this, now it is said for an acute angle theta. That means now first we have to draw one right angle triangle, and then in examination if it is asked, you will be given this figure. Okay, A, B, C, right angle triangle, in which one acute angle will be marked as theta. Now we have to prove sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Now see, means we have to simplify this and get answer 1. Now see, in triangle ABC, 1, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to. Now we are going to find this answer. Sin square, sin means which side upon which side? Opposite upon hypotenuse. So now it is opposite BC square it is. So BC square upon what? Hypotenuse square, AC square, plus cos square. What is cos square now? Cos means adjacent upon hypotenuse. Adjacent AB square upon hypotenuse square. So we have written this according to the definition of the trigonometric ratio. We have that definition. What? Sin means opposite upon hypotenuse, cos means adjacent upon hypotenuse. Here you can write this down by definition. By definition. So that is equal to. Now see here, AC square upon AC square. So denominator is same. Now if you are having addition of 3 by 2 plus 5 by 2, what you write? 3 plus 5 whole upon 2. Only one time denominator, isn't it? So now let us apply that here. Denominator says, so it is BC square plus AB square whole upon AC square. You can write here, therefore sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to. Now third statement. So sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to. Now BC square plus AB square. Now I shall draw this figure here again. ABC. BC square plus AB square is equal to what? This is right angle triangle. Sum of the squares of the sides containing right angle is equal to what? Hypotenuse square, where writing that formula C. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. And we are having here BC square plus AB square. So BC square plus AB square means is equal to AC square, no? So for this numerator now you can write AC square upon AC square. You can write here since by Pythagoras theorem or since BC square plus AB square is equal to AC square. Therefore you can substitute it. And now fourth statement we can get the answer now. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to AC square upon AC square. So is equal to that will get cancel numerator and is equal to 1 from statement 3. If you want, you can write from 1. Okay. So to prove this, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So you draw this, your figure will be this one. You straightway write sin square plus cos square. We have to simplify this and we have to get answer 1. That you have to remember. So sin square plus cos square. See in the figure and substitute in terms of ratio. Sin opposite upon hypotenuse. So BC square upon AC square. Why it is square? It is square is given here. Plus cos adjacent upon hypotenuse. AB square upon AC square. Only you should know to write only this statement. Then it is only calculation part. You can see a denominator same, so you will add numerator only, that is from 1. Then go see in the figure, BC square plus AB square is equal to AC square by Pythagoras theorem. So that is equal to, here AC square will come, AC square upon AC square. Any number upon same number, that is equal to, they get cancel and 1 from the. So, and therefore, sin square theta plus cos square theta is always equal to 1 for any acute angle. Okay.